Guys, USD JPY last week we were buying and we went on to hit our first bullish target right here, and after that what happened, guys, we had Friday sent us back down to the support. So for this week, guys, what are we going to do? It's very simple actually, and nothing has changed. So guys, as long as we are still above that support area, on Monday when the markets open, I would like to keep an eye on here. If the price breaks below 146.520, I would start selling this, meaning this move will continue. And if we are unable to break below this, guys, we will be testing a bullish the highs on Friday, which is at 148.793. okay guys, so it's simple. What we have to do is just wake up on Monday, go to our charts and keep an eye. If we and wait and see if we are able to break 146.520 or not. If we break below this, we will be seeing 144.9 and 143.2. And if we stay above this, guys, for the next week, I would expect a minimum test to the first bullish target, which is at 148.793. The next one may happen, may not happen. I won't take any risk. I would get out on the first one. So wishing you guys the best of luck. Hope you guys make money trading this pair, and see you guys next week.